Hey, US History. We are in week 4 of remote learning. Can you believe it? So this is April 20th, and we are going to be working on our social movements project. So specifically this week, you are going to be choosing a social movement that you're interested in and doing some research on that topic. So in checkpoint 2 of our current project, if I click into here, inside of here, you're going to select a social movement from that list, and then you're just going to research that topic. So you want to find out why it started, when it started, who started it, events that are important that are part of that, what things they've tried to move that movement forward, etc. So all of your research is going to go in the checkpoint 2 document. So in here, there are 5 questions that you specifically want to answer. You want to write down the name of your sources, the answer, and then the links or wherever that information came from. So checkpoint 2, your goal is to get that done this week so that you have all of the research on your topic. We're going to skip on my list checkpoint 3, so you guys won't see this primary source analysis one. Your number 3 is just going to show up with the lesson plan. So once you've researched your topic and you have a good understanding of it, you're going to start building a lesson of how you would teach that to the rest of the class. And that could be over Zoom, explaining it and describing it for the class. That could be you making a PowerPoint and putting it together and presenting it using a PowerPoint, or that could also be you pre-recording a video explaining your topic and the key important pieces of that. So in this next checkpoint, it has how to create a lesson plan, and it also has a template in there. And so you want to fill in that template with all of the information on your topic. So it should have the objectives. What do you want the class to learn? What materials or things do you need? How much time are the different activities going to take? And then any notes or information on that. So you might decide to do a set of lecture notes and show a little video, or you might have them do a crossword puzzle with some key vocabulary. So you can really be creative with this one and decide the best way that you think to share your information and have the rest of the class understand it. And so that lesson plan is going to go into that next checkpoint, and you'll copy and paste it in there. And then we'll plan for next week to actually present those lesson plans and share out what you guys have found on your different topics. So we'll spend some time this week looking at what those lessons could include or some ideas to help you out with that. And then you'll have time to research and actually get that information. So if you have questions or